This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Testing 1, 2, 3. Sound looks like it's working. Let's just check on my laptop. Testing 1, 2, 3. Everything seems good. Okay, step 2, check my audio settings in Windows. Just want to make sure you guys are getting the good stuff. Perfect. Okay, let's start with the 15-minute chart, as always. Is everything enabled? Oh, sorry, let me just check that. Maybe I'll try the trade copier again today. Volume is high. NQ, 700,000 contracts at 916. That's very high. Strategies, they're all enabled except for Reflux. Reflex is ready to go after opening dry, finished taking its trade. Okay, what else? 15-minute. We never got above yesterday's high. Traded below the Asia low in the London session, and now we're near the, well, I mean, approximately near the 120 points away, but visually we're near the London session lows. We're below VWAP on the 15-minute. Swing highs are lower. This is an ABCD, maybe an ABCDE pattern. We're just trending lower, so let's keep that in mind. Could be a little bit of a bear flag on the 60-minute, but even on the 60-minute, lower swing highs, lower swing lows. And we're going to trade in the direction of the trend, of the current trend. So the current trend right now is most likely down. But when I mean current trend, I mean like on the 1 minute. What's that, Crude? Wow, Crude's has $4 range on the dailies. Gold. Hold on. You call me? Gold, $84 range. Oh my God, we're living in crazy times, guys. We're living in crazy times, eh, Joker? $84 range on gold. Let me open up the chat. It's not even opened yet. Good morning, Joker Trades. What other crazy numbers do we have? 1,000, still 1,289 average range on the daily on the NQ. Okay, 1 minute. Let me see where we are. We got a higher swing low. So we are in a little bit of an uptrend right now. We broke the slope of the uptrend, so we'll keep that in mind, but we are in an uptrend. You know, in the 1 minute, that could have been an entry. 26-point range. Right now at 918, that's huge. Huge, as Donald Trump would say. Huge. It's hugely huge. I was working on my risk plan still.
3, 2, 1. Esta noche exploto, watch me blow. Fire! Can't control me now, watch me show. Dale! Ya no hay vuelta atrás. This is who I am. Exploto, exploto. Watch me blow up, bang. Whoa! Hey!
Mic's off for a second.
Dos de la mañana, mi mente no para. Turning the circles again while the world's getting darker. Yo no sé qué hacer when your memory hits me. Ni cómo se fía sin ti, and these hours keep breathing on me. Pensando en ti, que sí, que sí. Mi mente no deja de latir. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Ay, no puedo más. Scrolling through messages, looking for traces of you. Mi corazón está inquieto, como si fuera tabú. Can I dream but they all look like you? Como tú, so the blue. Can I see but they all look like you? Como tú, yeah. El tiempo no cura what I'm feeling inside. Las horas son eternas when you're on my mind. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Can't sleep, can't sleep. Mi mente no deja de latir. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. No puedo más. Silencio total, but my thoughts are so loud. Te busco en cada rincón de mi habitación, but you know it'll be fun. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Can't sleep, can't sleep. Mi mente no deja de latir. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Ay, no puedo más. No puedo dormir. Dormir. No puedo dormir sin ti.
No me puedes tomar. Better run while you can, porque soy el enano. Watch me break your plans. First mistake was thinking you could handle this. Burning bridges, leaving ashes, that's my signature. Bad decisions make the best fucking memories. Push the limits, see you panic, watch me laugh at it. Every ex I got still got the battle scars. Try to hold me down but couldn't last that far. Think you different, baby, please, I heard it all. Plenty tried before they all went and took the fall. Moving reckless cause that's all I ever learned. Playing matches till the whole damn thing gets burned. Got that fire in my blood, is who I am. Either roll with it or run fast as you can. Sola hippojendo, no hay quien me controle. Tonight I might lose it. Better and catch this attitude tonight. Got these demons in me, making shit go right. Everyone is fine, I gave you flash red hot. Still you coming closer, better give it all you got. Breaking hearts became my favorite fucking sport. Leave them begging, leave them crying, that's my last resort. Think about what it takes to keep up with me. By tomorrow you'll be just another memory. Watch out since the day that I was born. Raise my cell phone, gasoline and thorns. Need to match this energy I bring, or get the fuck about my fucking rain. Salvaje por siempre, that's the way God made me. No me puedes domar, I'ma force you to take control. Déjame volar, oh watch everything explode. No me puedes tomar, esta veneno en la soul. Déjame volar, before I make you lost love. Con mi música antigua en la mano, por las calles de Madrid temprano, buscando almas que entiendan la magia que desprendo mientras el tiempo se va mezclando. Me ves aquí, sientes lo que siento, entre el ayer y hoy, bailando contra el viento. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, ¿quién baila? Paso las horas cantando, monedas van resonando. La gente me mira extraño, mi violín va llamando. Mezclo lo viejo y presente, mi música diferente, pero mi corazón sabe que este momento es grande. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, ¿quién baila? Y aunque algunos no entienden mi manera de ser, sigo aquí en mi esquina haciendo tiempo mover. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis vuelas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, baila conmigo.
First time I saw you dance, something hit different. The way you move, yeah, got me so addicted. Can't look away now, baby, what you doing to me? Te veo bailar y no puedo crazy. Heart beating faster with every move you make. Oh, mami, te sigo confianza, my body's about to burst. I can't escape. You got that power over me, me tienes loco, breaking my self-control, poco a poco. You got that power over me, can't fight this feeling, single touch got me hypnotized. No puedo parar, baby, let's not fight it. Tonight we fly higher and higher. Heart racing faster, can't slow it down. 이제 멈출 수 없어. So now, turn it up loud. You got that power over me. 매 tienes loco. Breaking my self-control. Poco a poco. You got that power over me. Can't fight this feeling. You're my energy. Speed it up, watch it keep down. Trust it, body heat, rising to compromise and let it flow through your veins. Try me yourself. You got that power over me. Begin to loco, breaking my self-control. Poco a poco. You got that power over me. Power. Can't fight this feeling. You're my energy. You're my power, right?
Stop filled.
Used to see you at the club, looking mean. Every weekend, same routine. You was dancing with your crew, I was with mine. Silent battles, drawn lines. Ain't nobody crossed that floor. Till tonight when you said no more. The fire in your eyes when you step my way got me feeling like prey. But baby, tonight we both gonna play. Let the music sway. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. Can't fight this feeling, baby, let it flow. Not promise. Every move you make up there on the touch it like a tar. Heart's but your purse. Your body speaks louder and louder. Used to hate the way you move. Now I'm caught up in your groove. Temperatura subiendo más, got me burning fast. Your moves are lethal, but I'm built to last. Watch you break your mask. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. Can't fight this feeling, baby, let it flow. They say love and hate are two sides of the same coin we ride. Tonight we flip it, let it spin, see which side we're in. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. You know you feel it like this feeling, then you let it roll. Let's hide this feeling. Never bite, I know this bit, so just sit with me one and all. Game mama, we both wait like this, nothing they can. Let the smooth indican. Manos temblando, backstage waiting, hearts racing faster, no hesitating. Primera vez en el barrio, mi momento necesario. Deep breaths, tell myself you got this, 10 años de práctica. Now the streets are back, ya. mi familia in the photo, rezando por su hijo, yo. The speakers bumping loud, mi ritmo spreading through the crowd. From corners to the rooftops, la música won't ever stop. Gritando mi nombre, hey, hey. Making these streets my home, mi gente gritando mi nombre. Never performing alone, mi gente gritando dale. From zero to here we've grown. Mi gente, mi gente, mi gente, just got parties where I belong. First beat drops, nerve hills gone, energy rising like the sun. The flow natural, automático, move with the beat, it's magic. Every face I see smiling, years of doubt, now they're dying. Started in the basement, now the whole block's amazing. Dancing, jumping, living, it's a no trick, just beginning. Remember writing verses late at night, mama saying bye volumen. Now she's front row, eyes so bright, boulevard we're moving. Escucho el llamado del tiempo en cada nota que tiento. Mi sangre baila por dentro al ritmo del instrumento. Encontré en el ático un sonido mágico, puedas sto tossino moving sopra il marico. Ince amore singing while my mind is ringing, con este ritmo latino that keeps my soul believing. Melody ancestral, making my heart race shout, feel it in my bones now, does it do this out loud? That I'm moving it takes me way back when no sito el momento, en gas and present blend flow. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, the rhythm flowing through generations. El sonido antiguo me llena, the music breaking all limitations. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, the power of my ancestors call. El sonido antiguo me llena, towards the light and now we're falling. Feel the strings vibrating, ancient sounds creating, patterns in my mind now, legacy defining. Beats can make connecting, rhythms that protect us, moving through the ages while tiempo me afecta. I guess I'm in my past now, making this our last now. Sinful la magia, rising through the sound now. Every string I'm playing, gets my heart praying, para mis ancestros while the beat is slaying. Voces del pasado, calling through time. Sangre, sonido, your story and mine. Antiguo, antiguo, through the ages we flow. Antiguo, antiguo, let the ancient sound show. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, the rhythm flowing through generations. El sonido antiguo me llena, the music breaking all limitations. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, our my ancestors calling.
música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space, just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado.
Dancing alone, with silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses, so what I'm looking for, mi libertad in this quiet space, just me.
Baila solo, 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 aunque el silencio orillado.
Listen on, with silence down my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad, que en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más que recuerdos perdidos.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgot fables. Los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like haters not just think hello and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Y puedo enlazar, y puedo sin miedo ver al fin, sin miedo. Bailo solo con mi soledad, bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos.
La música regresa. La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space, just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado.
Dancing alone, with silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for, mi libertad in this quiet space, just me.
Baila solo, 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 aunque silencio orillado.
Listen, no, pues hasta más side. Bailo solo con mi soledad, que me estés en un bolsillo.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten fables. Los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just they galore and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Bailo solo con mi soledad, bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos. La música regresa.
like it was a night. No words, get it right. The bass hit different when you move like that shit. Saw you first the floor, down. Language barrier, don't get it down. Your body speaking loud and clear. Bet you feel the heat right here. Te quiero bailar, don't need to explain. Side eyeing, baby, what? Just let the beat bang. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it go and figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it go and figure out how. Can't understand shit you say, but your moves ain't lying. Hey, got that international swag. Fuck it up, make the floor say. Get over a lot, don't need to explain. Start riding, baby. Just let the beat bang. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it flow, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it flow, figure out how.
Hey, 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 hey,
Hey, fuck it up, fuck it up.
baila conmigo.
Go, 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 go. Choma, make sure. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it fall, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it fall, figure out how.
I'm sitting here, I'm yapping, and I'm muted. What we can't. What? Yeah. Okay. Well, I can't go back. I can't go back on all that I was doing. But what I was working was. Thanks for letting me know. I appreciate it. Let me go. Let me go here. No problem. I was working on my risk. Acceptable levels. I'm working on my risk plan. I was keeping myself company with the music. Yeah, sorry about that. Let me bring it down. Let me set it back to some more relaxing music. I have to get those, you know, those things. Yeah, don't worry about it. No big deal. I seem to be struggling with deciding what size I want to trade every day. I want to get bigger, but then when I Oh, cool. Let's see what I get here. Very hard to trade the fast Renkos. Really hard. I keep trying, and I know I'm gonna pay the price. I know I'm gonna pay the price if I keep trying to do that. It's way too fast. Let me just see what the stop is over here on this one. How many points? 722 up to 738. 16 points. I think that's respectable. It's a lot slower. So you know what? I'm gonna stick on this one. That's nice. If we can get that many points on a 2-lot, I'll take it. What are we? Oh my God, 60 points. Yeah, I'm not even paying attention. 60 points. Wow, I have it indicated as a minimum 8-lot on the 250K, and I'm trading a 4. I guess it's okay. It cuts my drawdown into 20 pieces. I don't even know what the PDLL should be. We're having a little bit of a hard time getting through that one level there, eh? Let's see if we can get down 12 points. 12 points, 08, that would be 90, 96. I got my finger on the stop button. On the close button, I'm not playing around with the not gonna play around with the stops.
Reversing.
Back a little bit out, a little bit out. I mean, I'm kind of struggling here. We're in a pretty zigzaggy, Renko-y trouble area that hopefully we can break out of. It looks like we are, to the downside. $940. Okay, there we go. Nice dump. That was a nice move. Okay, yeah, you know what? I'm hearing Joker talking about 2 micros. Maybe that's the thing. What I should do is I should just start going for the longer moves and just hang on. 959. Sim, yeah, had a bad day. How much did it lose? How many points the opening drive? 749. 100 points. Made 250 yesterday. That's not bad. Take a little piece. Let's see if I'll bid out of this one, but let it go. Wow, what the hell?
The market is open.
Oh, we're at 10 o'clock. Yeah, they close it down like that. That was a sloppy trade, entering in at 10 o'clock like that. That was a mistake. Lucky, number one, lucky I only had one. I can kind of take a two lot here. The stop is very small. Cover, get myself a little bit more. It's good movement. I'm gonna go warm up my coffee. Okay, I'm back. The something has a position. Sim 101. Oh, it's true. I'm on the wrong to track the algo. I didn't even realize it. Let's open up the camera. Get rid of the be right back sign. Okay, we're back in business. I'm sitting here freezing, trading in a freezer, and my son's in a toasty warm office. Seems so unfair. I'm gonna catch one with continuation. Can't get all the ones. There we go. But you know what the thing is, I'm not taking enough out. That was a good trade, and I should have held it for more. Do that, Joker. Let's go. Form one more down. My entry is no good. Yeah, I did. That's what you have to do. How's Sim 101 doing anyways? Ah, it's up 56. It's up 25 points, and it's hitting a nice trade here. Let's go back to the 15-minute. Well, like I said at the beginning of my analysis, there was no reason to think that the market would be, you know, in the 15-minute anyways, there was no reason to think that we would be heading higher. Or that's maybe, what's the right way to say it? Maybe the right way to just say this, the markets are trading lower. And until direction changes, you continue trading in the direction of the trend. For me, at least, my guess on when the trend is going to change. Anybody's guess is as good as mine, but you're just guessing. I don't need these. Yeah, we're below VWAP. We're below previous day's close. I mean, I'm not going to look at the previous day's low, which is a mile away. Still trading lower. I'm not going to look too much at the beautiful trade on the algo. It's up 131 on this trade. Okay, that closed at 169. Still short, so if I can catch a short here somewhere, algo is short. 1 minute is short. Only one of my Renkos is long. I'm surprised actually that I was able to get long so fast. But that's the fast one. It's funny also, it looks like as I say, it looks like I took a trade in my top step just on the practice account, but I don't remember doing that, showing it's up 114. That's the second time already there's a trade in the practice account that I didn't take, or at least I don't remember taking. I don't think I took. Nah, not crazy about that trade. You know why I'm not crazy? My entry was lousy. I bailed on it. Oh, now there's a trade. Let's get in. Entry was 12. I'm 21. That's not bad. And it stopped out, but you know what? There you go. Can't complain about that. I mean, the risk on that trade is 24 points. I'm going to take a little break here. How much did I lose on that? 21, 16. So I lost 816. I lost only 66% of what I should have lost. That's excellent management. I'm happy with that. I think I can try a cash register trade if we get a trigger. Maybe I'll do it for a 3 lot, not a 6 lot. It's fast. If I get stopped out, it'll be really quick. Couldn't get a better price. That was a long right there. Whoa, look at these moves. 60, 40, 20 point just... It's like someone said teleportation. It's just a 20 point, 30 point evaporation of price. Yeah, I don't think this is a good idea. $6.25, so 40 points. I'll sell a 3 lot here at the 50%. See if we can get back lower again. Take a piece off at the 30. There we go. Now let's see if we can get under. Let's see if we can go lower down to about here. We should be able to break the low of this candle. That's why I'll put in my buy limit 1. That'll be a nice little extension. It should go fast. If it does go, there you go. That was nice, easy, stress-free. Didn't have to work on that one. That's it. That trade is over. Did we get a 10 o'clock reversal? We didn't. I'm going to take a long for a one lot here because the stop's going to be a little bit big here. Stop's going to be almost down at 610, 612. What am I long at 38? That's a big stop. I'm going to work my way in and out of this if it happens to work out that way. Where the hell's my wire? If I get buy signals, I'll add. I'll try to improve my price. 38. No kidding, eh? It's gonna stop me out, this one, this little bugger. Come on, this is it. I'm hanging on to the skin of my teeth. I didn't expect that. I thought I'd get a run. I'll catch it on the next one, maybe. I'm still not stopped out. You never know. There's still hope. There's still hope. There we go. I'm out. Hey, don't get too far away there. Okay. Well, it's a good thing I'm trading small, eh? Look at these moves. I don't know what to do here, guys. I don't know what to do here. It's chip choppy. It's crazy volatile. It does look like we're making a rounding bottom over here. Nice move. Let's get up to that blue line on the algo. Come on, push it to that blue line. Good enough. 584. We're coming down in volatility. This doesn't really look good. Maybe I need to increase this even now. 1/3. $10 maybe. I don't like 15, 16. Let's go down to 10. I gotta find a good Renko level. Why does it switch so fast? That's more in sync with this market. Just a scalp. Maybe 10 is good. We'll try 10. Or how about a magic number of 11? My coffee's cold. My bottle of breast milk is cold. Here's my bottle of breast milk. Oh, nice move. Why did I not take profit there? Am I waiting to lose? Is that it? Get out. Market pays you a bit. Get out. There are big moves here, man. I'm going to have to make a commitment to hold longer. Somehow, some way. Well, we're making a move. We're making a move to the upside. Let's get above 30. Let's see if we can get up to 40. 25, 32, 42. Really? 42? That's a stop out. I'll take it. I'm not going to mess around with the stops. I think that's the most important lesson I've learned. Respect the stops. Don't respect the stops. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? You're gonna stop me out again. 2 in a row. This time I'm gonna have my finger on the close button. Forget getting out on the Are you kidding? That was good. Next time, let me know. I'm going to sell tickets for the performance. I was checking if you were playing music. I was saying I thought you were actually playing music. I didn't know if that was you. That was spectacular. Oh, shit. It's hard for me today. It's terrible, Dave. It's all over the board. This one is short. This one is long. It's like wherever I look, it's which chart do I choose to trade off of? I guess. Yeah. Okay. Can I hold it for 20 points? I'm in at 85. I got out at 98. I held it for 13 points. Too late. Too late. I blew my load already. Yeah, I'm thinking everything is looking long right now. Before I had cross signals, but now everything is looking long. But as always, you call it earlier than me. And besides that, even though you call it earlier than me. Nice. You have a position, Joker? I can look, eh? What do I have to ask you for? Let me look. No, I don't see a position on your chart. Okay, sorry for bothering you. Mm-hmm. Okay. Do I want to try one of these? I didn't hear the cash register ring today. I don't think so. It's called a cover song. I think cover songs are allowed. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Don't quote me. But I think you're allowed. Well, that's why you'll see cover songs all over YouTube and they don't get taken. Yeah. Well, no, don't go so. What size are those evals? Oh, okay, they're large. Yeah. Yeah, but they're new, even if you want to trade aggressive. Yeah, but even if you want to trade aggressive, even 3 lots is good. That's $60 a point. Ah, it's yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay, I don't know that. Mm. Yeah, I was kind of thinking the same thing. The afternoon trading might be better, might be more stable. What do we got for range? 42 points. Still very high. Higher swing lows, higher swing highs now. And we're going to make a run for VWAP, initial balance high. I mean, we broke the London session lows, closed below them on the 15-minute chart. We might close back inside the London session, but that's not a reason for me to be bullish. If we can, I don't know. Overall, I gotta say it's still pretty bearish, all this price action. Not crazy about that trade. But if we can get a, Here was a trade, a nice trade on the 1 minute chart, but I wouldn't have taken it because this isn't a small candle. But this retrace here, this is what I like to see. When you break the price channel and then your retrace causes like a little air pocket, you know, same thing like over here. But when you get continuation to the downside, I want to see, well, over here to the downside. When you get continuation to the upside, I like breaking a small candle, a high, previous high of the small candle. Like, you know, the entry would be the break of the previous high of the, yeah, the high of the previous candle. So right here, when we broke the high, that's your entry to the long. But I would have liked to see a candle that was 20, 30 points, not a candle that was 70 points. Because your risk is around the low, you know. I think right now, so far, what's showing is the best trades to take are the algo. The algo's doing very well. Cancel those just the right time. Oh. Okay, I mean, I'm slowly chipping my way higher. I guess that's, oops, got another one. Entry was at 60, I'm at 54, so again, a little better. Well, I'm nickel and diming here, but I've nickel and dimed myself up to plus 776, so I guess that's not so bad. 2 lots, 3 lots. I don't know. I think my largest was a 4 lot. I'm supposed to be trading minimum 8 on this account. I just don't have the balls. The volatility's too high, so I guess with the volatility this high, I scale it back. Yeah, no, just too much risk. I don't like it. I don't like it. You got to get a good price here, guys. It's if you don't get a good price and you oversize, I can give back half in one trade. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna as much as I want to put up numbers like Rips does, I'm still far away from that. Two lots. What the fuck am I doing looking to trade a 2 lot on a 250K account? Seriously. Well, we broke a swing low. Probably broke a trend. Nick on. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello. Yeah, it's working. So we broke that trend line over there. We didn't break the I don't know what word is, the less steep trend line. Template, save as default. Okay. So potentially we're rolling over. The algo is going to show short, and both my top step charts are short right now. So we could be reversing. The only thing that's kind of indicating still long is this guy here. I think the best is when they're all aligned. That's probably when I'm trading the broken slot machines, as Lance Breitstein says, or Lance Breitstein. Still don't know how to pronounce his name. I was going to take a short at 20. 21 is good. Stop is 30, 10 points. Finger on the close button. Okay, gave me another, I don't know, 70 bucks. I'll take it. 70 bucks in a few seconds. That's not bad. Oh, you're going already? That was too fast. Let's see if I can go short. Short's at 10. I'm short at 15. I'll take 5 points better. Just a shitty 2-lot again. I almost had 50 bucks on a 2-lot. It's crazy. That's what I'm saying. You can lose money so fast. Okay. Lost money on that. Lost money on that, but got it back quickly. Got another entry. YouTube influencers are allowed to have 30 accounts. So we didn't even come close to taking out the data highs, eh? I thought we would make a run for the data highs. I think everyone assumes we're going to make a run for the data highs. Dave, do you see any targets? Anything? Maybe a bounce off 370, 380. I thought I turned my mic off. Sorry. Stop yelling. Why, you have a headache? You're hungover? I'm gonna show you yelling. Oh wait, no, I think I showed you yelling yesterday with PW. I played it. That's yelling. I'm not even close to yelling. Oh. What chip? Go into Joker's room and you have the medal for. Are you kidding me, Wood Chip? Guys, go into the Joker Trades stream. He has a poll. He wants everyone to vote on it. He wants to know who has a better singing voice, him or me. I'm leaning more towards short today. Yeah, it's a heavy day. I thought we would take out the mic distortion. So cancel all. Oh shit! Really? Am I distorting? Yeah. Well, it's kind of redlining. Yeah. Okay, let me bring it down a little bit. Bring it down. Move it away. It's hard to know exactly the level, you know? Fucking mics are sensitive. It's not like video. Anyways, we have bullish sentiment, but too many FOMO long strapped. Okay. Well, it should work. Click the plus button beside the chat on the bottom there and ask away. But anyways, you don't have to ask. I have a better singing voice than you. You don't have to ask. You don't have to take a poll on that. I would win singing contest against all of you. Okay, let's have a four-way singing contest. OFT, Joker, Futures Floor, and Woodchip. I think Woodchip will win. And we get to pick the songs that the other person sings. OFT, I'm going to give you an ABBA song. I'm gonna give OFT Voulez-vous. Voulez-vous. Aha. You know that song, OFT, from ABBA? No, I haven't seen when you sing. Oh shit! I forgot about that. Oh, forget it. Then you're a ringer. You can't play. You can't play. I see it. I see a Joker. It's true. I wanted you to send me like I think I even asked. I don't remember if I could see it on YouTube or something. We had some evals reset. Do we over leverage a funded? No. 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 Sweden. Wait, is that the name of the band, or are you talking about ABBA? ABBA is Swedish torture. I don't know what you're talking about. Is that the name of the group? Poll's working. It's a no-brainer, that one. Okay, Swedish ABBA. What was the name of your band? I forgot. Write it in chat. Oh, have it short again. I'm getting to the point where I don't want to trade anymore. I got one. As I May and Last Breath. You can hear my beautiful singing voice. Last Breath is the song. So As I May is the band and Last Breath is the song, if I understand correctly. I'm gonna go listen if I can find. My brother was, I don't know if I can say a let me move this away so it doesn't distort. My brother was a musician. Last, did you spell it wrong? Because both times you spelled it with an H. Last breath, in, I don't know, is, anyways, I'll check it both ways. Okay, I'll check it out. Yeah, my brother was a musician for, well, his whole life. He still plays music, but he was in bands, and they never put out an album, though. Jeez, 16, 30, for 30 years. He was involved with music. I have a plate here to keep my coffee warm, and it never works. And then I got this thing of water that I'm supposed to drink, and I never do. Yeah, he still has, he was a keyboardist. I mean, he would be backup vocals also, but yeah, he still has keyboards in his apartment, and he still fiddles around. Sometimes he writes music for commercials and stuff. Little jingles. Yeah, I really don't want to trade. I'm taking a trade, and as soon as I enter the trade, the only thing that's going in my mind is get out of it. Which means I'm taking really small profits, and fortunately they're not going against me. But if they do go against me, the loss is going to be quite a bit larger than the profits I'm taking out. I think it's time to quit. Time to close down, go bug my son. See what he's doing. I played hockey, but when I started to understand something from women's sports was gone. Yeah, I played hockey too. I mean, not professionally, but just in the local leagues here. Okay, another little trade there, another $50. Oh no, I'm not copying today. I'm just doing one. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Is my mic not on? I hear you. No, I'm not copying today. I should have. I should have, but I don't know. Yeah, opening drive. Opening drive. Yep. Opening drive. It was pretty easy to get girls when you play. Yeah, opening drive got murdered today. And the other one, Sim 101, is the reflux algo, so that's up 120 points. Reflux algo will never go. Will never have huge days. Well, first off, reflux algo does a 1 lot. Sim 102, I have it doing a 10 lot. So if it did a 1 lot, it would be minus 200. OFT, going back, it's a whole thing with life. I played hockey. It was pretty easy to get girls when you play guitar. I think it was, yeah, well, I play guitar, yeah, but don't the girls like the lead singer always better than the guitarist? But yeah, anybody in the band. You know, it's like if you're on a professional hockey team, even if you're on the 4th line, you have all the, what do they call them there? The groupies. The groupies. Do you trade? That's why I combine singing also. You had your priorities on, right? That's for sure. I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, yeah, OFT. Do you trade in the afternoon sometimes? I'm wondering about that. What about you, Joker, also? Do you trade in the afternoon sometimes? I'm thinking with this kind of volatility, trading in the afternoon might be a little bit easier than the morning trading. as Woodchip says, the what does he say about the candles? The candles are more stable, or the candles are more something. He talks about it. When the volatility was normal, meaning now at this hour, 17, 15 point range on the 1 minute candles, and then we went into the afternoon, it was about a 10 point or an 8 point range on the 1 minute candles. I would try in the afternoon and I would always lose because there was no continuation, there was no follow through. The range of the afternoon was 60 points. So by the time the continuation came in and I got triggered in, the move was over. But with this kind of volatility, I'm thinking the afternoon might be better. The afternoon might be like the mornings were when times were normal. Yeah, no, I'm not scared about the volatility. It's just we hit these air pockets, you know, like turbulence, and you know, like when you're on a plane and the plane drops 1,000 feet in 1 second. You never know. You're always at risk that happens, and that's why I'm getting out of my trade so quick. Just taking, I wouldn't half base hits, not even a base hit, because I don't want to find myself down 150 points because I blinked. I mean, I did good today in that account. I can't complain. Oh, my book, Animal Patterns, ICT, and Moan and Groans. Moan, are those 3 different books? Book number 1, Animal Patterns. Oh, no, 2 books. And the other one, ICT and Moan and Groans. 2 books, 3 books, 1 book. Wow, nice move down. Nice move down. Chapters. Okay. I wish I had the ability to hold. Man, some of these trades. Shit, that's like a 200-point trade. That's 1 lot, $400. I don't know. It's a trade-off to hold. Did the cash register ring even once today? Nice and simple 3 chapters, and the last one is about chicks. Do I get a chapter? How was your day? I have been green over a week. Every day I just try to adapt. I've studied open and move so many years, and scalping when I volatility says where I make money and then I give it back. It sounds like me. I love the opening move. Me and Alex, right over there, he just asked, how's my day? We used to trade the open. I think we did well on it. But I'm trying to move away from the crazy volatility and get more stability. Alex, how's my day? I'm chipping away $50 at a time, $70 at a time, waiting for decent trades. And right now, I don't feel like trading anymore. I don't know. I'm kind of discouraged. I have so many accounts and I'm trading 1 at a time. So I don't know. And the trade, every time I use the trade copier, I get slapped in the face. 1.5 to 2 hours until after the open. Spread and volatility was crazy this morning. Yeah, it was. There was some crazy. Did you have a decent day? Did you trade today, Alex? Lulix? Still miss having you beside me. Just saying. Just putting it out there in the universe. We were a good team. I started down 400, then up 80. Wow. Nice. Then I closed up and I'm studying. Those top step trades that I was telling you about when you were beside me over here. I don't know if you remember, you know, when I'd say, you know, just enter here, enter there. They're killing it in this kind of volatility. Yeah, you catch a couple of losers, but then you catch a runner and it like makes up for 9 of your losers. I got into a short and it dropped like 100 points in 40 seconds. Good job. What size are you trading and on which account? I mean, I know you mentioned the Bulenox, but I know you have Apex also. It was crazy. 1 time won't make it gay, and after 10 times counting starts from beginning. 1 time won't make it gay? 1 time what? And after 10 times, counting starts from beginning. Alex is my son, OFT. Just in case. One time won't make it gay. That's funny. No, I get it. 10 time counting starts in the beginning. Yeah, no, Alex is my son. He's, I have twin boys. David's behind me. And, it's okay. I don't even remember what I said. What did I say? I miss having you beside me? Maybe that's what I said. I miss having you beside me. I do. We used to trade side by side. That's why I used to be right here. This is his monitor. Oh, you can't see it. Yeah, one of the monitors is still here even. I look back as the good old days, even though we used to argue a lot. Don't miss the arguing. If we could have eliminated that, I don't know, I thought we were a good team. Anyways, he was helping me hold on to my winners more. I was seeing him hold on for winners, and he's a better... All right, I'm out. Have to do stuff for school. Okay, take care. Talk to you later, Al. One time doesn't make it gay. That might be one of the funniest, if not the funniest thing so far since I started streaming. One time doesn't make it gay. Yeah. I'm sorry. One time makes it gay. I mean, I'm not talking with Alex. I'm just saying in general. All right, I'm out. Oh, I read that chat already. I have to do stuff for school. What do I want to do? We could be rounding again. What was that rounding bottom I was asking OFT about? I think it was around 10 o'clock. Yeah, it was like a little bit of a rounding bottom, and it looks like we might be getting another one here. Or we may start grinding down to maybe 18,000. Yeah, hard to know, eh? I don't know why I'm spending any energy predicting. I should just be trading instead of predicting. Just be looking at my chart. So why don't we just do that? Let's start at the bottom. The algo is going to go long biased. The 1 minute chart is short biased. Obviously, we can see. Let me get rid of these. I mean, we broke those trend lines, and we have a new one which we are just breaking. So, but more importantly for me on the 1 minute is the price channel. We have another air pocket, and when there's an air pocket, I like to sell the break of the previous low in this case to continue with the downtrend, continuation with the trend. So 1 minute short, but the algo long, top step long, and top step short. Very soon, a little bit more, another 10 points, and both top steps will be long. And the only short I'll have is the 1 minute. But a 1 minute's a very high time frame for me. What's up, Meg? Hi. Wait, what are you doing? Okay. Take care, OFT. See you tomorrow. Thanks for the laugh. See, I know what happens when I get to this point. Hey, we might get a small candle. Hold on. What happens is I don't want to give back my gains. That's why I don't feel like trading right now. Are you off to school? When are you leaving? Oh, yeah. Yeah, have a good day. What time are you going to be home? Approximately? Okay. Nice run up here. Still no break of the previous candle's low. And if we break the price channel to the upside, that'll switch over there and then everything will belong. A nice little run. Are we bouncing off something here that I missed? IB low, all right. Wow, we didn't even break it, eh? We just bounced right off the initial balance low. No, maybe we broke. No, we didn't break. I don't think we broke it. Oh yeah, I think we did. I think we broke it by like a quarter point or something. I think I see the line adjust lower. Well, there's one way to check. Let's open up the data box. The IB low was formed over here at 563.50, 564.75, 566. So no, didn't break it. Didn't even come close. Yeah. Okay, tried, didn't work. There's the short trade. That wasn't a bad candle to take it on either, but Pine Tree is doing a giveaway. Go enter. What's he giving away? Isn't it unfair for other streamers to win prizes? That's two losers. Anyways, keep swinging. Nothing spectacular on that one. Hey, I just had an idea Joker. As all right, let me hold on. Let me see. My mic is on. Let me see. She's doing a giveaway. Go enter. It was pine wood floor. Wow, markets are falling. Coming up to initial balance low again. I guess I'll have some water. Is my coffee finished? No. Balance it out with some water. That's funny. Well, the only trade I have is a FOMO trade to try and enter short, but I'm not entering short 10 points above initial balance low, that's for sure. There ever was a reason not to take a trade, that's one. Even if we push through it aggressively. A much better trade is an initial balance retest. What did I just do? Okay, let's get a little move lower. A couple candles, 16, 32, 8, 10 points. I'm short at 47. 6, 7, 8 points, a little bit. Chip away. Somebody is short at 40. I'll take I'll take this at 54. It's almost no stop at all. Push lower. Push lower. Not going. Not going. I'll take it. I'll take the little bit. Let's move away from the initial balance float. Right now we're magnetized to it, which means candles are on both sides of it. The highs are above it, the lows are below it. I don't like trading if we have price action like that on any level. Not if it's VWAP, not if it's previous day's close, previous day's high, low, initial balance, high, low. Not a good place to take trades. Let's break away. Let's get some space. Let's get some air. And today I'm going to get Trade Saber's indicator. I like it. It's going to help with taking the trades on the 1 minute chart. It's going to help me size perfectly. I had him up before, but it was only the indicator. I'm going to actually get the one that does all the heavy lifting. And it's free, just to let you know. Okay, got a little work to do today. Okay, well, that one didn't work out. If you look on the bottom chart, the little chart, you can see we're kind of zigzagging in the same area here now, between 565 and 540. A little up, a little down, a little up, and a little down. Not really trending. I mean, you kind of also see it on the 1 minute chart, but you see it better on the Ninzarenko charts. The bias is short. The bias is short on topstep. Pretty certain the bias is short. Yep, the bias is short on the algo. And without a doubt, the bias is short on the 1 minute. We got lower swing highs, lower swing lows. Maybe I'll just do one lots. More comfortable with the one lots there. It would stop me out. My bottle of water is in the way. Oh, what am I doing? Two-thirds, 66%, 6.6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 25, 26, 40, 26. 40.28. Let's not overtax the computer. One day is enough. There's a lot of wrinkle bars. Oil looks like it did well today. Maybe one loser. Is this a winner over here? No. Two losers, one winner. Oil didn't have a good day. Daily fair value, wood pine tree, daily fair value gap 452 is 50%. I don't know which 452. 19,452, 18,452, 17,452. I swear to God, I don't know which one you're talking about. Wood chip. I got my daily up there. That's crazy with this kind of volatility, eh? How you can say something like 452 and I wouldn't even know. I don't even know which one you're talking about. The closest one. Okay, well, let's do an F8. I assume the bearish. Oops. I don't know if it's that one. I got 50% at 489. Maybe if I open up the chart some more. No, it looks about strong, right? That's the closest one. We can be potentially having a. I'm long early. Yeah, I might take a long. A little bit. I want a little bit of a retrace there on that wrinkle chart on the bottom. We'll open it up bigly. We'll open it up bigly. So you guys get to see what I'm looking for. I'm going to wait for a down candle and then an up candle. As simple as that. And if it breaks the price channel, there's the down candle. And if it breaks the lower price channel, then I'm out. That's my stop. 2 bars down. I'll enter a little early on one. That's fine too, because it's a very low risk trade, given the fact that, like, that's a good entry. Right there, but see that? And I'm out. So that didn't cost me anything. That was almost a riskless trade. How much more can you ask for? I don't know why I should be going long, though. Everything is short. Let me see the algo. The algo, I think. No, the algo is short. 1 minute is short. I'm much better off taking short trades. Continuation trades to the downside. You got me singing, Joker. Oh, it's true. I forgot. You said you have those accounts. How about we use one? I have a bunch of accounts too that I'm not using. Bunch of accounts that start with the word Apex. How about we designate one to trade aggressively in the evening? One each. I mean aggressively, not stupid aggressively, but I don't know, like maybe break the drawdown into 8 pieces, and the trades would be for that size. I'll write that down just in case you don't hear me and I'll forget. Yeah, we can do that. It'll be fun instead of trading for. Maybe copy trade it, you know, trade our regular account at 2 lots and copy trader will multiply it. What's this? Missed a couple of trades to the downside. Oh shit. Oh, okay. I almost FOMO'd into one right now, but no point in doing that. Okay, I think the music is a perfect level. I can hear it quietly. So it should be, what is that? Between a third and a half. Mic is good. Come on, get down. Push it down. Push it lower. Push it lower. There we go. Okay, fucking water bottle. It's in the way all the time. I can't see my chart. Stupid water bottle anyways. It's like sucking on a nipple. No kidding. I'm really surprised we're seeing such weakness in the market given the run yesterday. We pretty much bounced off Tuesday's close at 11 o'clock. Went from 17,292 to 19,292. A 2,000 point move. And now we're giving back almost half. Very surprising. I took a long off the bottom chart. Once this one closes, this one closes also. Really? It's gonna go right down and just do one of those fake out moves. Okay. Again, going counter trend. What do I expect? At least I'm not holding. At least I'm not holding. 3:59 p.m. lows. $48.32 is better. AM highs, PM lows. You're long early. Let's look at the algo. Algo is still short. Let's look at the Renko charts. They are short. But the Ninja Renko. I have to put bands on the Ninja Renko. Maybe I'll do that soon. I mean, like soon in the next 10 minutes. Take another long here. I keep trying longs going against the trend, hoping that the long trend continues. That was an excellent entry though, actually. Very low risk. Very low risk, but I didn't let it play out. Because now if we run back up, we're about going up another 20, 25 points. And the reason why I didn't let it play out, well, okay. Because the Renko charts are short. Let me put bands on this. What kind of bands do I want to put on? Let's just put on simple EMA bands. Good enough. They're all the same. There's no magic bands. They all serve the same purpose. Okay, there we go. So below the bands, we shouldn't be taking any longs. So I shouldn't be trying these longs here, or this long, or this long, or this long. Now we got above the bands. Now we can try a long. So this will be the first one. Of course, I got in early. We're supposed to wait for the blue candle to form, but it's a low risk trade and stopped out. Come on, break lower. Let's get 3 bars. Got my finger on the close. This next part closes. Let's go down. Let's go down. No, that's a close. That's a stupid trade. That's a throwaway of 150. That was an impulsive trade. I just said don't take the longs under the bands, and I take the long. Okay. Joker! I'm going to use you as my accountability partner. I'm starting to do really stupid shit, and once I start to do this, this is how I cause a lot of damage. So you recommend that I do what? Walk away. Woodchip says walk away. Yes, Woodchip, I think I have to stop. I think I have... Okay. Last couple of trades I took were pure gambles. Pure impulsive gambles. Not supposed to be doing those anymore. The algo went long. That's interesting. Maybe I can tag along to an algo trade. I want to get at least the same price. The algo's long at 47. I want to get a better price if I can. Wow, it's going to go... Oh, better price, better price. 41. Okay, took a piece off, less risk. Another piece off. So I'm working a one lot here. And I'll let the one lot go with the algo. We'll see how it happens. This'll... Hopefully, if it works out, it'll bring me back to close to the day's high water mark. You can always rely on the algo to hopefully bail you out. How's the algo doing anyways? 247. Well, it's doing really well today. I took a few profit things here. We're about at the 50% level. I'll take another long over here. And if we get up to 47, I'll get out. Maybe even a little less. 41, 42, 43. Okay, there we go. I love getting in at the 40. Now my average price is 26 and the algo's in at 47. If we can get up to like 65, 70. That'll be 50 points. I'll take 50 points. It'll be 100. So come on, push, push, push. 58. Good enough for me. 845. Not bad. Thank you, algo. You see, that's taking setups, being disciplined, trading aggressively, trading fast, in and out, but doing it at the right levels, not just doing stupid playing shit. I can get in for one lot. If we get back under the entry price, I'll get back in. So if we get down into the mid 40s, the low 40s, 53, 46, 43, 41. I tried to get filled at 38. See, I'd be up 20 points in a flash. I'd have missed it. It's too bad. It's too bad. I tried. I'll try again. Actually, you know what? I'll get in at the 50% again. Let's draw in the 50%. See where that is. The 50% is at 27. 32. There we go. I got filled at 26. If we touch the orange line on the bottom, I'm out. I'll hit close. And if I get $20, $30. That's it. Close. I'm not risking more. I'm not risking more. Delete, 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 delete. Are you quitting?
I already quit a long time ago. I'm just trying shit.
And you what? What?
I didn't find anything. I quit.
What are you doing? You going up? Okay, I think I'll join you. Not feeling confident in my trading. So thanks for showing up, guys. Hit the like and the subscribe button if there's anyone new. And I'll be co-streaming with Joker today at 7 p.m. Hope you guys are able to tune in. Those are always fun streams. I like them, the co-streams. We have a good time. We have different perspectives. We bounce ideas off each other. Joker gives his analysis. Sometimes I make stupid jokes. So see if you guys can tune in. We'll have a good time. And if not, I'll be streaming again tomorrow morning at 9:15. Thanks for showing up. Bye.